Hey everybody, all right. Welcome to my show. You are very welcome. And thank you very much for watching my show. Hey guys, today I'm gonna make delicious food. Very good. Look my table. How colorful and busy. All right. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Very good. Today I'm gonna make both tire noodles with smoked sausage. All right, very good. Hey guys, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I have on my table. All right, to make this delicious recipe. Very good. Let's go. I have 3 cups of chicken broth. If you need more, just add it. I have 2 onions, 2 medium onions, finely chopped dice. Also, I have 1 cup of heavy cream to bring the flavor together. All right, very good. Also, I have 1 pound of both tire noodles. I have 1 pound of smoked sausage. Also, I have 2 tomatoes, finely chopped. Also, I have 8 ounces of cheddar cheese. Plus, I have 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. If you guys doesn't like hot sauce, don't use. Very good. All right, I have 1 teaspoon of Italian season. I have a 1/4 cup of olive oil. If you need more, just add it. Very good. Also, I have 3 tablespoons of parsley, finely chopped. Also, I have 8 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of salt. If you need more, just add it. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. All right, if you guys don't like black pepper, don't use. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Very good. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of paprika. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of thyme. Hey guys, would you like to cook with me? But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Very good. First, I'm gonna need my olive oil and put my heat for medium high. Very good. Bingo! All right, very good, guys. All right, very good. Actually, I did the wrong one. It's all right. Now let's warm up this oil. All right, but stay tuned. Welcome back. All right, my oil is ready. All right, very good. I'm ready now for my garlic. Very good. Very good. Stir a little bit. Right. Very good. My next step now, it's gonna be my onions. All right, that's when the colors and the flavor comes together. All right, guys. Very good. All right, let's stir this. Medium high. All right. Actually, I put it in high right now, but soon as get ready, I'm gonna put medium high. All right, very good. So now let's cook these garlic and onions. All right, and I'll be right back. Welcome back. All right, my garlic and onion is getting ready. All right, it start to change the color. All right, now I'm ready for my smoked sausage. Very good. Let's cook this. All right. Hey guys, if you want a good food, you're gonna need a very good recipe. All right. So please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll be right here. All right, guys, let's cook these babies. All right, and I'll be right back. All right, my sausage is ready. You guys can take a look. It's nice and start to get brown. All right, that means I'm ready for my next step. All right, My next step is gonna be my tomatoes. All right, very good. All right, and I'll mix it up. You guys can bring the camera together. Right, let's cook a little bit these tomatoes. All right, my next step is gonna be my Italian season. Very good. That will be my salt and my oregano. Bingo! All right, very good. After that, it's gonna be my black pepper and my paprika. All right, very good. And after that, it's gonna be my thyme. Very good. So now, let's stir this a little bit, and it smells all over my kitchen. All right, very good. All right, let's cook this a little bit longer. All right, stay tuned. All right, so now I'm ready for my next step. Please bring the camera together. Looks beautiful. All right, now I'm gonna put my hot sauce. Very good. All right, and after that, I'm gonna put my parsley. Very good. All right, very good. Okay, now let's stir it a little bit. All right, and let's cook this parsley a little bit longer. All right, before I go to my next step. All right, I'll be back very shortly. All right, welcome back. My next step now, you guys can see my parsley is cooked. It's cooked. All right, so nice and gloss, beautiful. Now, my chicken broth. Very good. All right, so now I'm gonna let cook my chicken broth a little bit longer. All right, and I'll be right back. All right, welcome back. My sauce is boiling. All right, that means I'm ready for my next step. It's gonna be good. It's gonna taste good. But, all right, guys, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Very good. My next step is my butter noodles. Very good. All right. It's looking good. All right. So now I'm gonna let this cook. All right. I'm gonna cover up. Low the heat for medium high. All right. And I see a little bit. All right, guys. Time to check. Very good. All right. Smells all over my kitchen. Very good. Let's check this. Ooh la la. Very good. This is, it's gonna taste delicious. Very good. All right, I'm ready for my next step. My next step now, it's gonna be my heavy cream. All right, very good. Looking beautiful. Very good. Stir a little bit. All right. All right. So after that, I'm gonna add it my cheddar cheese. Very good. Right, there's a sprinkle all over. All right. Very good. Getting there. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right. All right, guys. I'm gonna let this cook for a little bit more. All right, let's cook the heavy cream and melt the cheddar cheese. All right, stay tuned. Hey guys, I almost forgot. Time to check. Very good. Ooh la la, very good. All right, that's looking good. The cheese is melting. All right. Sheesh, it's almost ready. I'm gonna let these babies cook for 2 more minutes and I'll be right back. Hey guys, all right, very good. Gonna show you now the final product. All right, please bring the camera together. All right, please. Looks beautiful, nice presentation. All right, you guys can impress your guest. All right, and I'm sure it's gonna taste unbelievable. You have to try this recipe. I'm sure you gonna be happy today and forever. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Bye, guys. Cheers.